Tsotsi wethule ubufakazi obuthi Lowo wayeyisikhulu senkampani zomndeni wakwaGupta uSalim Isa waxambukela eindabeni ze-Eskom ngokuphakamisa amagama abantu ayefuna bafakwe emakomidini ahlukene alenkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi.
Knowing the appetite of the Guptas for acquisition of whatever assets they can lay their hands on, and having seen that also at Eskom itself, I came to the conclusion that they wanted to have people in the organization who would serve their direct interests.
Uphinde wasola wayengungqongqoshe weinkampani zikahulumeni uLynn Brown ngokuphoqa ukuba kusetshenziswe uhlu lwamagama olwaliqhamuka kuye uIsa. Uthi kwamcacela ukuthi uBrown wayenza ukufuna umndeni wakwaGupta.
It became clear to me that she seemed to be fulfilling other interests. And so I took it that she was acting at the behest of someone else. And I certainly took it that at the end of the day, she is imposing this list on the board.
Uphinde watshela lesiccawu ukuthi wakhetha ukwesula ngo-2015 yize ayibona ukuthi ubhekene namacala angekho njengoba ekholwa ukuthi kususwa izikhulu ezithile kulenkampani ukuze kufakwe abantu abafuna umndeni wakwaGupta.
I thought it's in the best interest, my best interest, and that of the company, to step out, accept the offer of resignation, and then move away from the company.
Lesiccawu sizoqhubeka kusasa.